So this video is about replacing the disintegrating rope on the Marantec garage door openers. This is really a shame that a company produces such junk. This rope should last 100 years, not 1 year. But anyway, don't replace it the way I did. I took it all down and took it all apart. It took an hour and something, I suppose, to mess around with it. But I think there's an easier way. There's this spring-loaded thing, and if you just find a way to press that. I use a screwdriver here, but there's probably going to be a better way to press that and leave it pressed the whole time. And what that does is it exposes the place where the knot is. And so if you can get a needle nose pliers or something down in there, some wire or hook or something to pull that out, you can pull that little chunk of rope out. And once you get that rope out, then you can put a wire through the one way and then hook a new rope to it and pull it back through. So you'd have a new rope in there. But like I said, you got to figure out a way to keep this spring thing engaged the whole time or compressed the whole time. So here's what you're looking at on the inside of the thing, just for giggles. You don't really need to know this. You basically already know what you need to know to replace it. But there's the little box holding the knotted rope. So that's what you need to get out, and you can do that, but you got to be able to do that by holding your hands kind of above your head and peering up at it. So anyway, good luck. I hope you can get yours fixed.